close to home. Today we're going to be fishing the Peddler River Delayed Harvest in Virginia. It's about 7:30 in the morning. It's cloudy, overcast. It's high 30s. They just stocked this stream, I think about 4 or 5 days ago. And check this out, there's nobody here. That's my truck there. There's nobody out here. I got this place to myself today. And I'm going to take advantage of it. I'm going to try to give every trout in the stream a sore lip and put them back and let them go, because this is a delayed harvest. I'm going to have a good time. Finally down to the bottom of the mountain here. This is a walk. If you come down here to fish this delayed harvest, you got to walk down the mountain. And the bad part is you got to walk back up after fishing all day. So that's a good walk. We're getting ready to get in the first hole. It's right behind me. Everybody calls it the swimming hole. I've swum in there before. I've never seen anybody else swim in there before, but that's what they call it. But this is the mountain you got to walk down right here, all the way from the top of this thing down here. Then when you got to leave, you got to walk back up out of here. It's a hike. So we're getting ready to hit this first fishing hole right here, the old swimming hole, and it is looking beautiful. Nice and clear and clean. I don't even see any footprints around here like anybody's even been fishing the thing. But I'm gonna fish it. My sidekick, she couldn't make it today, but she'll probably come out this evening and hopefully fish with me. But check this out. Check out this water here. Another absolute beautiful place. I said, it's a hike down in here. Usually when they stock it, it's worth it. So you go all the way up the mountainside up there. Almost feel like a mountain lion or something watching you from up there. You never know. But I'm gonna get to fishing this thing, see what happens. Start off today with this Joe fly, gold spinner, a little bit bigger fly. Got a lot of fish out of the stream with this dude. I'm gonna see if he wants to do it again. All right, Trout. Hope y'all are living in here. Well, I just missed one. That's a nice one too. This day's gonna be a good day. I can feel it. There he was. I missed him. Not paying attention. And kind of just nipping right now. Had a few hits on that black Joe fly. Kind of nip at it. I'm gonna try this Z-Man TRD Canada Crawl color. We did pretty good with this guy a couple weeks back in a different delayed harvest. I think it was Piney River. See if he wants to work some magic. Go find them, boy. Get in there and get them. See what they're doing. Got one. Got it. Oh, come off. Man, I think in a minute I'm gonna try a different color before I leave this hole and see if they'll react to that. Let's switch over to these guys. I've never used them before. All the Z-Man stuff's new to me. I've turned onto them from a friend. These are TRD Tickler Z's, the deal. We'll see if they're the deal or not. Hopefully they'll catch some trout. Try it out now. Looks like a little tube bait. I think they're gonna work. He's on it. He missed it. Had one after the first cast. Might be a good sign. I ain't getting no skunk on me today. They ain't putting it on me like that today. There he goes. Dude's biting so light today. Oh, he's mad too. Come on, dude, get out of that. Don't get in that trash. Get out of there. Don't get in there. There we go. Don't get in there. What do you don't listen. Stay out of the logs. Boy, hit this thing pretty good. Get out of there. What are you doing? He ain't a bad one. I got him foul hooked. That's why he's fighting so hard. Shake it. He's a chunk. Check that dude out. Come here. So now you guys yourself all muddy and dirty. I wasn't even gonna get you dirty. Hang on, dude. There we go. I can wash you off a little bit. Look at that guy. If he doesn't get away from me first. Well, he ain't a bad dude, man. All right, fella, I'm letting you go. I've had you out here long enough. I don't want to kill none of you. I just like catching you. Man, this water's cold. I got something. Hooked into something. I think I got a nice one. I think I got a decent one at least. Maybe they are up here this far. He ain't bad. Another brown. He ain't as big as I thought. These dudes fight, man. They fight. Get him over here right. I don't want to boat flip him and break my line. All right, dude. Check him out. Another nice brown. Look at that dude. These fish are beautiful, especially if you. I hate making them dirty. These fish are beautiful. Look at them. I'm letting him go. Let him go on his way. There he goes. All right, well, they are up the river. I just don't cast it far enough up the river. Let's try that again. The dude hit that spinner hard, like he was mad at the world. Another one. Oh, this has got some fight to him too, but I said that last time, but. Come on, boy. He's mad too. He's mad he got hooked. Come on, fella. Come on down here. Hey, he's coming on down the stream. He's pushing another trout down the stream. Everybody come down with him. Another brown. Come on here. Let's go to the bank. Look at you. You are a nice one. Yeah, I ain't gonna boat flip you up here. Check him out. Right in the corner of the mouth Barely had him hooked. Look at him compared to that fishing rod right there. I don't want to take the time to measure a guy like this to get him back in the water, but check him out. All right, dude, I'm gonna get you back in here. Like I said, I don't like keeping y'all out here very long. There he goes. Well, we got one trout so far. I'm gonna go upstream here. Another nice hole up here. Catch fly out of. Just kind of pretty much gotta have waders to get to, and see what happens there. I still have a good feeling that we're gonna catch quite a few trout today if I don't fall down here in this water and drop the camera. Woo. Through here. So I'm going through right here. Man. Right. Spot number 2. Man, this water's cold. I got something, hooked into something. I think I got a nice one. I think I got a decent one at least. Maybe they are up here this far. He ain't even bad. Another brown. He ain't as big as I thought. These dudes fight. Man. I'm still in the same hole. I just moved up a little closer because I left my stuff real far back. I'm going to keep walking all the way back there to unhook fish. I have to get them back in the water as soon as I can. Let's see if number 3 is up in here somewhere. They keep getting bigger. Oh, I missed him. See if anybody wants to come back. Oh, I got him. Come on, fella, don't come off there. He's fighting this thing. Got the spinner hanging out of his mouth. It's another nice one. Another brown. Oh, man, come on, boy. Look at this dude. He's getting bigger and bigger. He's a chunk. Ouch. Look at him. Look at him, guys and girls. Man, this dude, I don't want to take the time to weigh him. He's chunky. Look at him. Look how thick this dude is. Let me get him back. These are the days I like when you just come down here, you got a stream all to yourself. Down in the mountains. No cell phone signal, not to worry, be nowhere. Just come out here and fish and have fun. Catch fish. I ain't got to catch fish to have fun doing this. I just hooked another one. I think it's another decent sized brown. I'm back up here. Guy barely got him hooked. Well, I got him hooked pretty good actually. There's another one. Place is full of them. This whole stream's probably full of these fish right now. All right, buddy. But he only got spots on the top half on this one side. Kind of a little different than the other guys were. But hey, time for you to go back to your home. All right, got my sleeve wet that time. Oh man, old Joe fly getting on. See if I can get another one out of here. On another one. On another one. Come on here, boy. You got some fight left in you, don't you? Come up here. Come on up here. Oh. Calm down. See, look, you're getting yourself all dirty. Getting yourself all dirty. All nasty. And you're burping too. There we go. I'm gonna let you go. I ain't keeping you. These dudes. You guys are awesome. Get you back in the water too. You got yourself all dirty. He's still mad. That one had attitude right there. He didn't appreciate getting caught at all. Well, I don't know, lost track how many that was at the same hole. I'm gonna put sticks all over my line. I'm trying to get a phrase in this line. I have to use fluorocarbon line, 4 pound in the creeks. Usually use Berkeley Vanish. Had really good luck with that. I've caught a lot of big fish on that big trout. That Berkeley Vanish fluorocarbon. You can feel it fray up pretty good, and you need to change it out. There's another one. Hey, this hole is just full of them. Let's get you up here too. They're all about the same size. Took him right in the lip. He's barely hooked. Hold still, boy. See, look, you done hooked yourself. Well, you burping. You didn't need to fly. I had to take it back. This dude's a little smaller, but I'll take him any day. I'm turning you loose, man. Letting you go. Well, he's mad now. Where's he gone? Just brown after brown in this hole. I haven't even went up the stream 50 yards yet, hardly. This is all on this Joe fly too. I ain't switched over to no finesse lures or something real slow. Yeah, this is all these guys are just nailing this off the bat. One more try. And we'll move on. Things ain't looking good downstream here. I ain't seen a fish in a while. I ain't got a bite. There he is. Man, they get in this current and they get strong. Let's check this guy out. He's in the current, gives me a hard time. See if I can't get a hold of him here if I get hooked. Something's wrong with this dude's eye. Oh well. Check these dudes out. This stream is full of these fish, full of these browns. I'm gonna have to come back hit this stream a lot this week. All right, dude, I'm gonna let you go. There he goes. Well, I made my way on down the river quite a ways, and haven't got any bites for a while. Hopefully I didn't leave the fish behind upstream. Got a really nice hole coming up right here. This will be the tail of this fish in here this far down, or if I need to walk my butt back up the river again. So, only way I'll find out is put a line in the water and see what's in there. I'm back at the truck and I hiked back all the way back to the mountain. I'm out of breath. It's a hike down in there. What a good morning though, fish. I think I caught 7 or 8 browns. I'm not even sure, I lost track. I just know I had a good time. And I saw one other couple down there. I'm pretty sure they're gonna catch a bunch of fish too. But back to the truck. That's not my truck. That's my truck right there. I'm gonna go home, cook some breakfast. I'm gonna go get my sidekick J-Bomb and see if she wants to come back this evening and see if she can't get some brown trout. A sore lip like I did this morning.